Starbucks wins a round with a federal agency. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. Employees began a union organizing campaign at a Starbucks location in California. Two shift supervisors, Hernandez and Cardenas, actively supported the unionization effort. After the union won the election to represent the employees, the union filed charges alleging Starbucks engaged in unlawful conduct during the organizing campaign. The National Labor Relations Board, also known as the NLRB, issued a complaint alleging that Starbucks had improperly restricted employees' union discussions. The NLRB is the federal agency that deals with union matters. To prepare its defense, Starbucks obtained an NLRB-issued subpoena directing the two supervisors seeking broad materials related to union activities. An administrative law judge found that the subpoenas overbroad and granted petitions to revoke them, but allowed Starbucks to pursue narrower requests. The ALJ, that's an administrative law judge, ultimately dismissed the underlying unfair labor practice complaint, with the NLRB affirming that decision. So far Starbucks is up. Separately, the board initiated yet another unfair labor practice, alleging that Starbucks, even obtaining the subpoenas, interfere with employees' rights under the National Labor Relations Act. So they had another hearing, and it was concluded that Starbucks violated the law which balances confidentiality interest against an employer's need for information. The NLRB adopted this reasoning and ordered Starbucks to stop seeking the information. So it ends up in front of the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, which reviewed the case. The Fifth Circuit held that the NLRB applied the wrong legal standard by relying on a narrow discovery rule test for coerciveness under the law. The court vacated the board's order and clarified that the proper inquiry is whether the employer's conduct would tend to be coercive under all of the circumstances. So Starbucks comes up on top at the end. Thanks for joining us. We really appreciate your feedback and concerns. And remember, you can always like, comment, and subscribe right below. And if you've got any ideas for a specific episode or topic, be sure to let us know in the comments, and we generally not only read all the comments, we try and take action based on them. And you can also see us at our website, drdavesavesamerica.com.